Good morning, Year 5, and welcome back to Week 2, Lesson 4 of our work on the animation Marshmallows. Our Can I for today's lesson is Can I explain how my character resolves their dilemma in my story? For today's lesson, you'll need a pencil, a ruler, paper, and access to the internet. Today, we'll be continuing to write the story from the boy's point of view. Can you remember what the fourth section of our story mountain was? The fourth section of our story mountain is the resolution. In this paragraph, we'll need to explain how our character solves their problem. We will also need to explain where they go to escape. We'll be writing our fourth paragraph today to explain how our main character solves the problem and escapes from the creature. Now what I'd like you to do is watch the clip from approximately 1 minute 20 seconds until 1 minute 50 seconds. This part of the animation shows how our main character solves the problem and escapes from the creature. Now it's time to pause this video and watch the animation. When you're finished, come back and click play to see what you need to do next. Let's take a look at our story mountain. In our last paragraph, we introduced the problem of our character running out of marshmallows. The creature then became aggressive and chased our character. In today's paragraph, we'll need to talk about how our character tricks the creature into thinking that a pillow is a giant marshmallow, and how our character is then able to escape whilst the creature is distracted. You're almost ready to begin writing your next paragraph. Remember, you'll need to talk about how your character solves the problem and where they go to escape. We also need to think about our targets. Our first target is to make sure that we are writing in the first person, using words such as I, my, me, and us. Next, we need to try and think about including relative clauses to add more detail to our sentences. Remember, we introduce relative clauses using relative pronouns such as who, when, where, which, whose, and that. Another target is to include prepositional phrases. These help describe the position or direction of where something or someone is. I'd also like to see a variety of vocabulary in your writing, such as interesting adjectives, powerful verbs, and adverbs. I'd also like to see some expanded noun phrases. Here is an example: delicious sweet marshmallows. These two adjectives are describing the noun. And finally, spelling and punctuation. Make sure you're using a dictionary or the internet to check spellings that you're unsure of. You are now ready to begin writing your fourth paragraph. Remember, when you are finished, to upload a picture to Class Dojo so we can give you some feedback on how well you've done. Bye for now, Year 5.